Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can access your Wix dashboard. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Wix.com. So currently my Wix is I've upgraded it to Wix Studio, but if you were to still choose the Wix.com, then that's alright as well. And then after that, you just have to go to the site section. Okay, so you have here the sites, and then you have here now your website. So all you have to do is to select the site that you want to access the dashboard. So do not tap on the edit site. Instead, tap on the select site. And then after that, you will be directed now to your dashboard. All right, so you have here now your different settings. Right, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.